My name is Jeff Sims. I'm the Plumbing Development Manager for Chorbie. I have been in the plumbing industry for about 15 years. I have a master license with the state of Texas as well as inspector's license with the state of Texas. I got into the plumbing industry back when I was 19, fresh out of high school. I wanted to learn a trade instead of going to college, and my dad, he is a master plumber with the state of Texas. He's been in the industry for about 30 years. And I decided to follow his footsteps and become a plumber, a licensed plumber. Within 5 years, I was a licensed plumber with the state of Texas. And I developed and learned what customers' needs were on the plumbing side, walking into homes, talking, interacting with customers on a daily basis, and it became my passion. And ultimately, I want to make sure that any house that we step into, any customer that I introduce myself to, we can improve their plumbing needs on a daily basis. I'm passionate about stepping into a homeowner's home, being able to fix their needs, such as if they have a hot water heater that's defective, installing a new water heater, seeing a smile on their face when they go to a faucet and they kick on a faucet and it has hot water. Meeting their needs is satisfying to me. That is what I strive for every day here at Chorbie Plumbing. I decided to team up with Chorbie because of our passion for excellent customer service, and I wanted to be a part of a team and a company that would be able to provide all the homeowners' needs under one umbrella, under one company. The plumbing services that we offer here at Chorbie are repair, installation, water heaters, sewer, drain cleaning, gas lines, as well as slab leaks. I'm excited to introduce plumbing services to all the Chorbie clients, as well as working with a group of professionals that share the same passion as me.